Have you ever found yourself staring at a FavePay voucher, wondering how to turn it into something tangible? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the steps to using your FavePay voucher like a pro. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your voucher details. The first step is to carefully examine your voucher. Look for the unique code, expiration date, and any specific terms or conditions. This information is crucial for redeeming your voucher successfully. Step 2. Choose your merchant. FavePay vouchers are typically accepted at a wide range of merchants. Use the FavePay app or website to search for merchants near you that accept your voucher. You can filter your search by category, e.g., restaurants, retail, services, to find the perfect match. Step 3. Verify merchant acceptance. Before heading to the merchant, it's always a good idea to double-check that they accept your voucher. Call the merchant or check their online listings to confirm. This will save you time and avoid any potential disappointment. Step 4. In-store redemption. When you're ready to redeem your voucher, visit the merchant and inform the cashier that you have a FavePay voucher. Present your voucher and the cashier will scan the code. The voucher's value will be deducted from your total purchase. Step 5. Online redemption. If the merchant allows online shopping, you can redeem your voucher directly on their website. Add the desired items to your cart, enter your voucher code during checkout, and complete the transaction. The voucher's value will be applied to your order total. Step 6. Check your receipt. After your purchase, carefully review your receipt to ensure the voucher's value was correctly applied. If there's any discrepancy, contact the merchant immediately to resolve the issue. Tips and tricks. Read the fine print. Pay attention to any restrictions or limitations on your voucher, such as minimum purchase requirements or excluded items. Check expiration dates. Don't let your voucher expire. Redeem it before the deadline to avoid losing its value. Be prepared. Have your voucher ready when you visit the merchant to streamline the redemption process. Contact customer support. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out to FavePay's customer support for assistance. Using a FavePay voucher is a simple and rewarding way to save money on your purchases. By following these steps and keeping the tips in mind, you can easily redeem your voucher and enjoy the benefits. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.